The 2026 real estate market is shifting, and the people who move with clarity this year will be the ones who build wealth and not miss it. In just days, we're bringing serious buyers, sellers, and future investors together for a powerful, strategy-packed experience designed to help you navigate real estate in 2026 with confidence. You'll hear directly from trusted local experts on how to buy smart, sell strong, and protect your investment and position yourself ahead of the market, not behind it. This event is completely free thanks to our incredible sponsors and partners who believe in empowering our community. And attendees will receive exclusive resources, special partner offers, plus the chance to win raffle prizes at the event. If real estate is part of your next chapter, you need to be in the room. Saturday, February 28th. Click the link to RSVP now.